It's a celebration of Indiana foods, wines and beers. This is the second annual event. We'll do it every year. It's the last Sunday in August. Breweries from around the state, wineries from around the state, and then chefs from restaurants around the state, Terre Haute, Muncie, and Evansville, creating dishes from ingredients from farmers all around the state. Everything is Indiana-based. The point of it, again, is to show what Indiana produces and then how you can create great dishes from it. Marsh is one of our sponsors. It provided a $500 gift certificate in addition to selling our tickets at their stores all around the state. The $500 gift certificate is being raffled off in the farmer's tent. So all of the farmers that produced the proteins, the meats, and the produce for this are here today so that you can meet the chef that cooked the ingredients and then meet the farmer that raised them. We involved 30 chefs this year, 11 breweries, and 8 wineries from all over Indiana. Next year probably will be much bigger.